Welcome back to another adventure with Waka Travels. Do you know traveling the world isn't getting any cheaper? Flights, hotels, food, before you know it, you're staring at a bill that could have funded a small island. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. The dream of exploring new cities, tasting foreign street food, or just lounging on a beach while someone else handles the sunscreen. That dream can still happen on a budget. You just need a little strategy, some tricks, and, okay, maybe a bit of flexibility. Today, we're diving deep into the art of budget travel mastery. We're not talking about sacrificing comfort or missing out on incredible experiences. Instead, we're unlocking 15 practical, tested strategies that have helped thousands of travelers slash their expenses by up to 70% while exploring destinations they never thought possible. If you're ready to discover how a teacher from Ohio explored 30 countries on a $15,000 annual budget, or how a college student backpacked through Southeast Asia for 3 months on just $2,000, then you're in the right place. Before we embark on this journey together, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, because every week, we're sharing insider secrets that turn ordinary travelers into budget travel legends. Let's start with a story that changed everything. Last year, I met Sarah, a graphic designer from Denver, who was convinced she'd never afford international travel on her $40,000 salary. Fast forward 8 months, and she just returned from a 3-week journey through Portugal, Morocco, and Spain, total cost $1,800, including flights. The secret wasn't luck or sacrifice, it was strategy. And today, we're revealing the exact blueprint she used, along with 14 other game-changing techniques. Strategy number 1. Master the art of flexible travel dates. Here's what airlines don't want you to know. Tuesday departures and Wednesday returns can save you up to 40% on international flights. I discovered this while planning a trip to Japan, where shifting my departure by just 2 days saved me $600. Use Google Flights Calendar View or Skyscanner's whole month search. Last month, a subscriber saved $800 on a round-trip ticket to Thailand simply by being flexible with a 4-day window. Strategy number 2. Embrace the power of shoulder seasons. Picture this. Santorini in May instead of July. Same stunning sunsets over the Aegean Sea, same whitewashed buildings perched on volcanic cliffs, but 60% cheaper accommodation and half the crowds. I've experienced the magic of shoulder season travel across 6 continents. From Nepal's clear mountain views in November to Costa Rica's perfect weather in May, you get premium experiences at budget prices. Comment below and tell us about your best shoulder season discovery. We read every single one. Strategy number 3. House sitting. Live like a local for free. Last summer, James, a software developer from Austin, spent 6 weeks in a stunning villa overlooking the Mediterranean in Croatia. Total accommodation cost? $0. House sitting isn't just about free accommodation, it's about authentic experiences. Through platforms like Trusted House Sitters, you're not just saving money, you're gaining access to local neighborhoods, making genuine connections, and often caring for adorable pets who become your temporary travel companions. Strategy number 4. The hostel revolution. Forget everything you think you know about hostels. Today's hostels offer private rooms with ensuite bathrooms, rooftop bars with stunning views, and communities of like-minded travelers from around the world. In Budapest, I stayed at a hostel in a restored 19th century building with original frescoes and a thermal bath, for $25 a night. The same area's hotels? $150 minimum. Strategy number 5. Work exchange programs. Through platforms like Worldpackers and Workaway, you can trade skills for accommodation. I met Maria, a marketing professional who spent 3 months in New Zealand working 20 hours a week at an organic farm in exchange for accommodation and meals. She learned sustainable farming, improved her photography skills, and explored the South Island's breathtaking landscapes, all while spending less than $1,000 for 3 months. Share this video with a friend who's always talking about traveling but claims they can't afford it. These strategies work. Strategy number 6. Master regional transportation. In Europe, a Eurail pass might seem expensive at $500, but consider this. A single high-speed train from Paris to Barcelona costs $200. With a pass, that same journey becomes unlimited travel across 33 countries. But here's the insider secret. Regional trains and buses often offer the same destinations at fraction of the cost. In South America, I traveled from Colombia to Argentina using local buses. Total cost $200, compared to $800 for flights. Strategy number 7. The hitchhiking renaissance. Before you scroll away, hear me out. In countries like New Zealand, Germany, and parts of South America, hitchhiking is not only safe but culturally accepted. I met backpackers who crossed entire countries spending less than $50 on transportation. Always research local customs, travel with a partner, and use apps like HitchMap to find safe, popular routes. Strategy number 8. Embrace local transportation. In Thailand, tourists pay $30 for taxi rides that locals complete for $2 on Songthaeus. In India, local trains offer authentic cultural immersion while traveling hundreds of miles for under $10. Learning to navigate local transportation isn't just about saving money, it's about authentic cultural immersion that no tour bus can provide. Strategy number 9. Street food adventures. Some of the world's most incredible culinary experiences happen on street corners, not in Michelin-starred restaurants. In Vietnam, I discovered that a bowl of pho from a street vendor for $2 often surpassed the quality of hotel restaurant versions costing $15. Street food isn't just cheaper, it's often fresher, more authentic, and prepared by families who've perfected recipes over generations. Strategy number 10. Market shopping and cooking. Imagine starting your day browsing vibrant markets in Morocco, selecting fresh ingredients, then returning to your accommodation to prepare a feast. Not only do you save 70% compared to restaurant dining, but you gain insights into local culture that no guidebook can provide. In my apartment rental in Lisbon, I spent $40 per week on groceries, preparing meals with fresh seafood from local markets. Restaurant meals would have cost $300 for the same week. Strategy number 11. Lunch specials and local timing. Here's a secret that transformed my travel dining. Many restaurants offer lunch portions of dinner dishes at 50% less cost. In Spain, a €25 dinner becomes a €12 lunch menu del dia with the same quality and portions. What's your favorite budget food discovery while traveling? Share it in the comments, your tip might help fellow travelers. Strategy number 12. Free walking tours and local events. Every major city offers free walking tours that provide better insights than expensive guided tours. I've joined free tours in over 50 cities, learning local history, discovering hidden gems, and meeting fellow travelers. In Prague, our free tour guide, a local history professor, shared stories about the Velvet Revolution while standing in Wenceslas Square, where it actually happened. No expensive tour could match that authenticity. Strategy number 13. City tourism cards versus selective visiting. Before buying city cards, calculate actual savings. In Barcelona, the tourist card costs €45, but selective visits to Goda's masterpieces and free museum days saved me more money while allowing flexibility. Research free museum days, university discounts, and local resident prices. Many cities offer significant discounts for students, seniors, or during specific hours. Strategy number 14. Nature-based adventures. Some of the world's most breathtaking experiences cost nothing. Hiking Torres del Paine in Patagonia, watching sunrise over Angkor Wat, or swimming in Croatia's hidden coves provide memories that rival any expensive tour. Last year, I spent 2 weeks in Iceland focusing on natural attractions, waterfalls, geysers, black beaches, spending only on accommodation and food while experiencing landscapes that seem from another planet. Strategy number 15. Master travel technology. Your smartphone is your most powerful budget travel tool. Apps like Trail Wallet track daily expenses, Rome to Rio finds the cheapest transportation options, and Maps.me works offline, preventing expensive roaming charges. I use a combination of 12 apps that have saved me thousands of dollars. From finding last-minute accommodation deals to discovering free Wi-Fi locations, technology transforms budget travel from challenging to strategic. Before we wrap up, hit that like button if these strategies are already changing how you think about travel. These 15 strategies have transformed ordinary travelers into budget travel legends. Sarah, whom we met at the beginning, is now planning her second international adventure, this time to Southeast Asia for 5 weeks on a $2,500 budget. But here's the truth: knowledge without action remains just dreams. The difference between watching this video and actually exploring those destinations you've always imagined lies in your next decision. Remember, travel isn't about how much money you have, it's about how strategically you use the money you do have. Every dollar saved on accommodation is another day of adventure. Every smart transportation choice is another destination on your journey. Ready to transform these strategies into your own adventure? Visit wakatravels.com right now. Our expert travel consultants will help you plan your budget adventure, find the best deals, and ensure every dollar stretches further than you thought possible. From flight bookings to accommodation reservations, we handle the details while you focus on the excitement. Don't let another year pass wondering, what if? Your adventure begins with a single click. Subscribe for more budget travel secrets, ring that notification bell, and remember,
Waka Travels, your journey is our signature. Waka Travels.